Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on a Wednesday, August the 30th, 2023, almost end of the month. And I've already solved one puzzle in this additional, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyber block, and the last one is a 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku, number 7011. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Oh, all right. We have here 2 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 2 4s. We have here 2 5s. We have here 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with the 1? That's the question. 1. 1. 1. Will be difficult. 1. Well, interesting. All right. Let me see for other digits. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes here. 3 in the second row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. Cannot continue with the 3. 7. I need a 7 here. 9 in the first column. 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with the 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9. Okay. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. 9, 9. Alright. Come on. Need a 3 here. 6. Need a 7. Need a 2 here. Well, need a 1 here. 1, 2. Need a 4 here. Need a 5. This box, I believe this should be a 6. This box is a hidden number. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Should be a 6, can be 7, can be an 8, can be 9. Yes, hidden number 6. Wow. So we have a pair now. The 1 and the 6 in this column, the 1 and the 6 in the second column. So in the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. All right. 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, 1, 1. Now I cannot continue with the 1. So 2 numbers left, I believe the 4 and the 5, okay. And then 5, need a 5 here. 5, need a 5 there. Interesting. How about these 3 missing numbers in this first column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, okay. And these 3 missing numbers then in this big square. 1, the 2, and the 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, so 1 digit left. Should be 8 then. Alright. Okay, 2, 3, 7, 4, 5, okay. How about these? 3, 2. Need a 2 there, need a 2 there. 2, need a 3. 3, 3, 2, 3. And I need a 7 here. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 3. So 2 numbers left there. The 2 and a 3 then. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for 2. 2 should be here, or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Then need a 3 here, need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 7, 7. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. 4 and a 5. This one is a tough one. It's a tough one. 9. Come. Need 8 there. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for 8. Could be here, could be there. 6. Need a 6 there. 6. Need a 6 here. 9, 6, 4. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing. And look, we have a 9 and 6 in the first row, so no 9 and 6 in this box. 9 and 6 goes in those 3 boxes. So we have now 3 numbers here, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6. In this 3 boxes, so 1 digit left in this big square. I believe the 5, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. This should be a 5. Wow. Hidden 5. Need a 5 there. Well, so 9, 6, and the 7 are missing. 9. Here we have a not easy. 3 missing numbers in the first row. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those. So we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Missing the 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing the 5 here. Well, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. Oh, we have a pair. The 2 and a 7 in this column. The 2 and a 7 in the second column. So the third column. Only 2 places left for the 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, do we have all the 3s? And no, the 3s are used. I can see, yeah. Digit number 1, number 3. How about the 1s? No, the 1s. No. Alright. Okay. And now the next step is 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no need to place left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 1, 7, 4, and I need an 8 here. Well, ooh, interesting. 4. Okay. So here should be the 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 4. Well, here can be 4 because we have 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 4 there. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in the third row, so no 4 in that box. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column should be there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for 5. Could be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, need a 5 here. 1, the 7, 8, and the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 1, 7, and an 8 are missing. Well, we need an 8 in one of these 3 boxes in this big square. So we have an 8 here, 8 in one of these 3 boxes. So in this column, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. There can be an 8 because we have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7, the 8 and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square, should be there. So the 6 and the 4 are left. Okay, so 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 4 and a 5, I believe here. 4 and a 5. Yeah, 4 and a 5. Well, I need to wait again. How about 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, there are only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. How about this 7 and 2 missing numbers in this column, last column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 and a 4, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 6 goes there, 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, here 6 in that row, no 6 there, so the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, And the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for the mother. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the mother. I believe the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 5 and a 9. In these 2 boxes. Here are 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. If I know 2 numbers, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow, complicated. Faster than the previous Sudoku, but we solve it again. And yeah, it's interesting one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but I like this one. Yes, I like this very much. This one is, you need to search for the numbers, just like the previous one. Yeah, these 2 are astonished puzzles. I like this. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. If you enjoyed this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.